Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. This is just part two. I wasn't really going to do it, but I started thinking about if we nudge this orange out of the way, a printer, I don't know anything about it. Engraver, we might, one, we don't want to use white, but he's using white. But we've got an outline, a line thickness of a hairline around that box. Why don't we just double click on the pen tool and type in 200-point line? We've got the same thing. Now the thing you need to really look at is that, and what you could do is convert it to an object, and then left click, right click, and you see that we're not to the edge of the object that we want. So when you do your pen tool, let me get back to the pen tool, double click on it and select this right here and put it on the outside of the object. Outside position where it's actually on the inside, and then take this line. Let me make sure I've got it. Let me move the yellow box out of the way. Take that line, and you can see where the nodes are like in the middle. And then we need to convert it to an object. Then we can left click, right click, and then you can take the Smart Fill tool. I've already sampled the orange, but we could just take a sample of the orange and then fill that in with orange. And you've got this exact same thing. The only thing I would stress would maybe hold down the Alt key and select that and then right click no outline, because you put an outline around that. So there's another way to do it if you have this shape. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.